Make a great choice today with the 2019 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, child safety locks, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.